6 habits that leads to permanent weight loss. It is said the company you keep defines you. Thereby, surrounding yourself with people that motivates you to achieve good habits is very important for your own health. Obesity is contagious. If people around you are not supportive and you keep on pouring calories will create many core problems for your own health. However, there are several ways for permanent weight loss and maintaining a perfect body frame. Nonetheless, the main problem is we do lose some weight but are not able to permanently stable that look. Following are the ways to maintain your permanent weight loss with little effort. All you need is to adopt some new habits and bring about a bit change in your lifestyle to stay healthy. 1. Determined to adopt new habits. You develop new habits when you keep on practicing them for at least 40 days. However, practicing everything all at once such as dieting, exercising, and sticking to one routine will make you obsessed and you might give up quite earlier. You need to cut off your bad habits gradually. Initially, you can avoid junk food and adopting a habit of eating a bowl of salad on daily basis to enhance your metabolism. Once you have practiced enough of avoiding junk food for a month, then you can step up and look for another task to achieve. 2. Eating right food at right time. 80% of your weight loss depends on your diet while only 20% depends on your physical activities such as dieting. You need not to count every calorie in your food, but portion control is really important part of your diet. Portion control means you need to figure out your weak spots and look for alternative healthier food with lower caloric density while eating the same amount of food you were consuming at first place. Replace your junky burger with fibers, vegetables and fruits that actually adds to the permanent weight loss solutions. 3. Controlling your appetite. People go extra mile at controlling their appetite. They start sticking to only healthy food. This makes them overwhelmed. This creates an environment that makes it nearly impossible for you to remain faithful to your healthy newly adopted habits. Starting with portion control is best option, but it is totally acceptable to sometime munch on snacks, but of course not too much. 4. Developing a better lifestyle. Training and exercising is crucial part of permanent weight loss solutions. Interval training is important for building and maintains a body frame, especially when it comes at developing muscle mass. During exercising, the fat energy is utilized at gaining muscles. This accelerates body metabolism and excrete out many harmful substances from the body. Nevertheless, if you are not consistent with your exercising, all the hard work you do for certain days goes in vain. An active lifestyle creates a healthy mind and healthy body and increases for lifespan. 5. Setting right goals. You might think of losing 2 pounds per week. This is nearly impossible to achieve every week. In case you might achieve it for quite a few months, but later you suffer from weakness and gains weight at a much faster rate than previously. Similarly, you need to choose your diet plans very watchfully so you don't cheat later days. Pushing too hard makes you give upon your routine quite easily. 6. Weight loss surgeries. There are 2 kinds of surgeries that could also lead to a permanent weight loss: gastric bypass and sleeve gastrostomy. Even though these surgeries can cut off ounce of fats from your body, but still a proper diet and lifestyle is necessary to maintain your surgery. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.